Steamwheelers 10-3 coming into today will clinch at least one home playoff game with a win tonight. Off we go from Quad City, and it starts with a deuce for Andrew Mevis. Yep, we're not too far away from John Deere headquarters here in downtown Moline, Illinois. There's a hit, and a ball's out. Ware was popped. The ball came loose at midfield, and who's got it? Looks like the Blizzard. And Ware was absolutely drilled, and he is slow to get up on the play. But the Blizzard force an early takeaway on defense. Big forced takeaway early on for the Green Bay defense, and now their offense will step out. Max Myler and company. Myler will start off with a throw, and instead he'll then pull it down and run, and Myler has a first down. Williams, outside edge, and into the end zone for the Green Bay touchdown. Andre Williams, the veteran, nice run to the outside, found his way to the end zone, and what a start for the Blizzard on the road.
Williams hasn't been too involved in the run game this year, but this is a nice job.
Hear it oftentimes, and here tonight it's already shown to be true. Neal will throw it here on first down, or will he? Can he get away? He does, just barely. A hit after a completion. Dudley made the grab. It was Nigel Canada with the hit stick. It ends up being a loss of 2, but could have been a lot worse as that one lays in along with Deion McShane. Still no Jared Ware after he was injured earlier on this drive. Neal, a bit of a stumble, then started to run and barely got back to the line of scrimmage. Green Bay just on the move here on this second offensive possession of the game. The fake, the throw, the touchdown to Andre Williams. 15-yard strike from Max Myler. And Williams.
What the defense is giving you, and you'll always take a 7-yard completion on first down.
Now they'll pitch it to Ware, and he's brought down in the backfield quickly by Kevin Ransom the second. 2nd and 12 after the loss. Myler looked to his right, pressure's on. He finds Cagle on the other side, who had some blockers, and there he goes up the sideline. Spun down at the 20.
Anytime you get a big lineman out there with you on a screen like that, it's going to yield success. Let's see that again. There's just the slip screen from Cagle, and then here comes that big man down the field, rumbling and bumbling and stumbling.
2nd down and 20. Myler, quick toss underneath, caught, spinning, getting free is T.J. Davis. You just mentioned him. Davis inside the 5, and it's 1st and goal for Green Bay. Green Bay right back to the line. Myler keeps. Myler scores. Touchdown, Green Bay. Max Myler with a 2-yard run. And a quick answer for the Blizzard. Starts with a Green Bay possession at the 20. Myler caught over the middle. And a first down. There is Davis again. Myler is in. Touchdown, Blizzard. Rushing score number 21 for the Mount Horeb. Was trying to force their way in, and they do. Max Myler for the touchdown. Blizzard open up the second half with a score. Neal tipped away at the goal line. He was going for Dudley. And Kevin Ransom makes another play in the second. High snap, but Neal's able to corral it. Fakes, in trouble, got away. He's going to get a throw off. It's high, and it's picked by Mamadou Mbaye. Inside the 5, he's marked at the 2-yard line, and a huge turnover in the 3rd quarter for Quad City.
There's a reason that Corey Roberson's a 2-time IFL Coach of the Year.
About 16 or 17 on the second down. Myler spins out of would-be tackles. Look at that physical run by the quarterback.
And we'll get a look at that run here again. Completely designed from the start. And you see the little B-button spin move there.
2nd down and 4 here. Myler looking, throwing, caught. Patron, touchdown, Green Bay. Lowell Patron found himself free and scores from 19 yards out. Myler, all kinds of time. Over the middle, diving catch. TJ Davis got back up with it. Davis to the end zone for a touchdown. Another spectacular play for TJ Davis. It's a 29-yard score.
And a smart play by TJ Davis. The diving stab on the catch, and then he realized Cam Morrell never touches him. So he gets back to his feet. And that second effort gets him ultimately into the end zone.
Trying to catch the Wheelers off guard defensively, and Myler was popped but survived a hit initially. Still trying to fight his way to the first down, and he got it. Can you believe that run from Max Myler? Looks to throw. Sideline, Cagle's wide open, touchdown Blizzard. 13-yarder and a huge one late for the Green Bay Blizzard. I kick, but here we go. A high one, it's still loose. At midfield, it's recovered by Green Bay. And that will do it.
This onside try giving your heart a little stoppage
Yeah.
as it goes off of a hand. That's a live football, and you mentioned Davis running it down and